This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Residents of Maxfield Avenue in Kingston this morning set fire to debris and used it to block the road to protest the shooting death of a man, allegedly by the police, in the community on Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as Emilia Morris, also known as Papa Stinger or Daddy1, who was in his late 30s. According to residents, Morris was locking up his business place when he was attacked by officers sometime after 11 p.m. They also claimed that he was unarmed. However, police report that they received information of gunfire in the community and were fired on upon arrival. They engaged in a shootout, after which Morris was observed suffering from multiple gunshot wounds. He was also reportedly found with a weapon. Police later revealed that Morris was allegedly the leader of the William Road Gang and was on bail in relation to a 2020 murder charge. A security guard was arrested and charged after a Winchester Marlin rifle was found under his bed. He has been identified as 41-year-old Richard Smith. Reports are that lawmen were conducting a joint police-military operation in Church Lane, Gordon Penn, in St. Catherine on March 17 when Smith's residence was searched. The weapon was subsequently found in his room underneath his bed, wrapped in a bath towel. A bus driver was crushed to death while repairing his vehicle on Thursday afternoon in St. James. Dead is 43-year-old Leslie Bobby Waugh from Maroontown in the parish. Waugh had used a jack to elevate the vehicle, then removed a wheel so he could work freely. The jack slipped and the vehicle fell, crushing him. Individuals nearby tried to help him, but he later died. A Trelawney farmer was shot and killed, and two other individuals, including his daughter, were shot and injured during an armed robbery at a bar in the farming community of Warsop on Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as Patrick Griffiths, also called Culture, who was of a Blind Lane, Warsop Trelawney address. Reports are that about 10:30 p.m., Griffiths and his daughter were among patrons at a bar when they were approached by two men armed with handguns. The gunmen opened fire, hitting Griffiths and his daughter, who operates the bar. And in sports, Jamaica was shut out of the medals in the women's 60-meter finals as Sharika Jackson placed 5th and Brianna Williams placed 6th, both with personal bests of 7.04 seconds. Mujinga Kambunji placed first with a world-leading time of 6.96 seconds. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.